All right, good afternoon. I know you guys are all waiting anxiously, or you were waiting anxiously for this next video. This one's gonna be on markup and discount because a lot of you guys were having trouble on markup and discount. So I want to give you guys a couple of examples first, and then I want you to try one later on. This video is gonna be less than 5 minutes. So having said that, let's say that you have a $59 price. And this price tag of $59, this is gonna have a discount. So you're gonna have a discount of some money that you're not gonna have to pay for. And on this discount is gonna have a percent that you don't have to pay for. This is gonna be 23% off. 23% off is what you don't pay for. So when there's a discount, this 23% is what you don't pay. Well, that's a good thing, because if you don't have to pay for 23%, you do actually have to pay less than you normally would. Well, here's the thing. If you normally had to pay a price, this would be equal to 100%. This is everything, or this was everything. And because it was everything, it was equal to 100%. And that's what you have to understand, is that this 100% used to be $59, but it's not anymore. See, you're going to take away the 23% that you don't have to pay for. So if you do the math, you can subtract the 23%. A lot of you guys will go ahead and take this, and what you'll do is you'll multiply 0.23 multiplied by $59. And this will give you the amount that you don't have to pay for. And you could do that, but then you have to take this number here, and then you have to subtract this number from the $59. That is some extra work. If you take away this at the beginning, this is 77% that you actually have to pay for. See, you could actually go ahead and just take the 77% and say 0.77. You could go ahead and multiply this right here by $59. This is going to give you the total that you have to pay for automatically. This is going to give you $45.43. And that's what you have to pay for right away. See, if you multiply this right here, this is going to give you $13.57. Now you have to go back and you have to say, okay, my $59, I have to go ahead and take away $13.57. But here's the thing, guys. You're going to get back $45.43. When you take away what you don't pay from the $59, you could have done this right away, and you could have calculated what you pay for by taking away the percent away from 100% at the beginning. So what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to do a practice problem. I want you to let me write you a practice problem very similar to this, and then I want you to answer it. So let me go ahead and have you guys hopefully copy this down and then pause the video. And what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you answer your own question. Very similar to what you guys just had. Let's pretend there's another discount, but this is the new price tag. So this is the price tag right here, and this price tag is equal to $29. You're going to have a 65% discount. And this means that this is what you have off, what you don't pay. I want you guys to go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to do this without multiplying 0.65 by $29. See if you can do it by taking this away from 100%. Pause the video and I'll give you guys a second to come back. Okay, welcome back. I'm hoping you guys pressed pause. You guys went ahead and did the math, and now you're ready to check your answer with me. So here's what I'm hoping you're going to do. I'm hoping you took this and called it 100%. And then what you did is you subtracted the 65%, because this is what you don't pay. And if you don't pay for this, because this is 65%, well, this is what you do have to pay for. You have to pay for 35% of $29. Well, this is going to be $29 times 0.35. And if you did the math correctly, hopefully you got $10.15. And this would have been a nice way of checking your answer to see if you guys really understood what you guys were doing. The last example that I'm going to give you guys is a markup. And we're going to use the same thing with the 100%. Instead of marking something up, finding a new price, and then adding it back to what the original price was, what I'm going to have you guys do is I'm going to have you guys say, okay, let's see if we can use our shortcut method and say, if the original price tag was going to be $76 and this was equal to 100%, this was everything, this was our price tag. I want you guys to see if you have to pay a markup. And this means that you're going to increase the price. And we're going to call this increase a total of 15%. Because now this item costs more money. I want you guys to pause the video and see what the new percent that you have to pay for is. I'll wait. Okay, once again, I'm hoping you guys pause the video. And now you're going to say, let's see. If I have this plus this, this is going to be equal to 115% of $76. This is going to go ahead and be written as a decimal, 1 1500ths. Some of you guys like to say 1.15, but I really want you to get into the practice saying 1 1500ths. The word of means to multiply in math in this example, and we're going to multiply this by $76. This is going to give you a grand total of $87.40. See, this is a shortcut. Now, here's what you don't have to do. A lot of you guys will take the 15% and say 15% is equal to 0.15. I'm going to multiply that by $76, or I'm sorry, I'm going to add, multiply that correctly. And then when I multiply this is going to give me $11.40 exactly. But here's what you have to go back and do. Now you have to take the $76 and you have to add it back. See, because if this was the old price and this is how much money was increased by marking it up 15%, this needs to be added back. But guess what you're going to get back when you add that? You're going to get exactly $87.40. And that's what we've been practicing in class for the last week and a half. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys come back for more. See you guys next week when we go ahead and do some new stuff. Bye.